You don't want to read the book? That's an elephant. That's right.
Dog.
A dog. What does a dog say? What does a dog say? Woof, woof.
Daddy.
It's a rabbit.
Dad.
Yeah? What else is in the book?
Boom.
It's a book. That's right. That's the sign for book. Good girl.
Boom.
Book. Good job. What else is on here?
Daddy.
It's a fish and a rabbit. She knows some of them now. What's that?
Daddy.
What?
Dada.
Dada's downstairs. What's that? What is that?
Wow.
What is that, Katie? What is it? It's a goat.
Goose.
A goat. That's right.
Goose.
A goat. Keep going.
Banana.
Don't really know those ones.
Banana.
What about?
Apple.
What's that? What is it? It's a bear.
Boy.
A bear. What's this? Bee. Bee. A bee. It goes bzzz. That's right. What about another animal? You know some of these. What about that?
Owl.
An owl. Good job.
Owl.
An owl. What does an owl say?
Owl.
What's that?
Apple.
What is that, Katie?
Dash.
What's that?
Owl. Dog.
It's a baby cow.
Baby.
A baby cow. It's hard to see your face,
The boy.
A bear. What about this one?
Dad.
What is it?
Owl.
An elephant. It's the trunk. Elephant. Good girl. Good girl. What's that? Telephone. Telephone, just like Mama's telephone. That's right.
Bye.
Bye. Good girl.